Hello everyone, we are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews today, and I got this Zenna Home aluminum curved shower rod. I got this for the property. Hopefully my tenants like it. It should give them some extra space. So let's get this unboxed. So this is what the box looks like. I got this one. It says NeverRust. 2 easy ways to mount. You can tension mount or permanent mount. That's what I did like about this. Tension mount, I don't really trust that, so I'm going to drill mine in, of course. But I'm going to use the tension mount, though, to see what it looks like, so you guys can see what it looks like. It'll be perfect. It says up to 6.5 inches of elbow room extra, adjustable 50 to 72 inches, so hopefully that will fit. And that's it. So that's everything on there. So let's get this thing out of the box. These look like these are all set screws. In here, all little screws. These are I guess the mounting hardware to put the screws in. Yeah, all mounting screws in here. Okay, blah, blah, blah. In here we have, looks like the end cap. Well, one of the end caps is here. And the other end cap is here. They kind of look the same. Same layout. There's 2 screws in there. They probably go in and the set screw goes on the side is what I'm guessing. We got nickel, so it matched our decor. Helpful hint, extend rod to opening size, lock with set screw until flush. So I'm guessing this goes in here because this looks like it curves the right way. So this is kind of how it goes. I know the camera's a little close, but you're like 4 feet away. So it extends like this. There's a set screw that goes in here, and I guess you put it to size. And then you just, obviously put the end brackets in. We're going to do, obviously, an installation if this is going to work. And this says, helpful hint, twist until tight. So I guess you twist this until it's tight when you extend it. Alright, so we're back. I'm trying to put it together. Obviously, I'm going to speed this up and everything like that, but let's get this thing together as quick as possible. I put on one end cap already. It was very simple. All you do is just put the bolt through, and that's kind of it. And then it says to put the cover plate on. So I put the cover, oops, just sliding all over the place. So I put the cover plate on as well. It says to put this on, I guess, because I'm not doing the screw-in method. So I'm not gonna snap mine on right now or anything like that. It says where the dimples go. Twist to, so right here, we're gonna twist it, making it longer. Okay. Alright. Twist this by 2 turns. Now extend the rod assembly to the measurement from step 4. Oh, wait. So this goes fully down. Okay, so we want to go from here, ready? 1, 2. Okay, got it. 2 turns. Now extend the rod assembly to the measurement from step 4 and lock the length of the assembly. Okay, so now I have to measure from here to here and make sure it's 58 3/4. Right? Oh, that's perfect. Here, put this into here. Ah, that's perfect. I'm gonna put 2 pieces of wood and then just measure the wood on the floor. That's much easier. What the hell was I thinking? Okay. I'm gonna measure. Sorry I'm not in the camera, but I'm putting this between there, putting it into a piece of wood. This is so messed up from people. Oh my God, look at this. For everyone standing on it, it's crazy. Let's throw a rag on it so it stays because that's nuts. Okay. Now, let's put that right there. And we need 58 3/4. All right, so we gotta lock it with the set screw. Let's get the set screw and lock it into place. Wherever the hell the set screw. So the set screw goes in D. So this is the set screw. It's little as hell right here. It's very tiny. You're gonna put this in. It's shaped like a little bullet, I guess you can say, a little bullet with screws on it. So you're gonna screw this into D and tighten it exactly what it's on. That seems good. All right, so now we measured it. We put the set screw in. Set screw goes right in this little hole, I'm sorry, and you use that little Allen key to tighten it in. It's very simple. Sorry I was off camera, but as I said, it's a little bad. So you put the set screw in, done. Tension, mount, insulation. Secure the rod to the walls by twisting the end. So I think you just put it up and then twist this sucker. All right, so we're gonna get this baby up. Let's get this thing up as quick as possible here. All right, so let's do this. Let's see what it looks like. All right, so that says up in the up position there. And it was about here that they had it. So let's see if I can, that's the up position over here. Goes like that somehow. Now let's make sure it's in there, so it's in the shower. Right? No. Okay. Alright, we'll leave it like that. So you will get the extra space. The shit's gonna end right here. That's gonna end right, that's perfect. It'll end right there, and then you'll still get the groove. Alright, so that's pretty much how I have it. And then I'm gonna tighten this up, I think, until it goes tight into the wall. Alright? Oh, I gotta level it first. Alright. Perfecto. Okay, nice and level. Now I think you just spin this thing like this. And then it just squeezes, I think, the wall. Oh wow, this comes out when you squeeze. That's pretty crazy. You know what, this is pretty easy. If this thing really holds, and it was this easy, I give it a good review. 5 pounds on it, and look at it. And you're not gonna put 5 pounds, you're gonna put a freaking thing on here that's gonna weigh under maybe a pound at most. Sure. So, all right, let's get this on, the dimples, and then I'll show you the complete product. Where is it? How does this go on? Where's the dimples? All right, dimples on end cap. Make sure end dimples line up with the nut. That's what I'm doing. Okay, now make sure they line up. This is lined up, and this one's lined up, so it's lined up. What the hell? And then you spin? No? What the hell? That's not going on. What the hell? Is someone messing with me? They both say E, right? Imagine. Yeah, they're both E. Oh. Now it went on. That was weird. I don't know what the hell that was about. Maybe there's a top and a bottom. I don't know. But I just got played, I tell you that. Done. Alright, they're on. This is what it looks like. This is the finished product. Let's get done. This is it. This is what mine looks like from the side. This is the only thing. Oh man, come on, I'm bumping into. See, I'm worried about this sticking out too far and looking stupid, maybe getting in the way of the light or this. We're gonna figure that out together when we get something and put it on in here. Alright, so we'll see if that gets in the way. I mean, I'm trying to give them extra space and maybe I just blew it. So we'll figure it out, but if you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community. Alright, thanks a lot guys. I'm out. Bye-bye.